Hi everybody, in this video I want to share with you Pear Lemon Face Mask for tightening pores, also which is good for oily skin, because most of oily skin has big pores which are so huge and has a lot of blackheads. So this mask is more suitable for oily skin and for those who wants to get rid of blackheads. So what we're gonna do here, we just need to use here Pear, which is very good for oily skin because it helps to get rid of extra oily shine, and it has ability to tighten pores, which is very good for us. And also Pear, because it has, you know, that it's not very soft inside, it has like a small stuff, and it's not sits and they're soft. They clean pores, and also after that they tighten the skin and pores, so which is very good for oily skin which needs to get rid of blackheads and close the pores. And lemon is a great product, which is, you can use Pear without lemon and lemon without Pear, so but together they will work great, because lemon also helps to get rid of extra oily shine, the same what Pear does. And lemon also helps to clean the skin. You also can make lotion from pear juice or lemon juice, or this lotion. For lotion you have to add there vodka, you know, the vodka, like if you add like half cup of pear, you need to add their vodka, half cup of vodka, the same amount. And if you add lemon, you have to add same amount of lemon, half cup, and same amount of vodka. And with this you can wipe just deep pattern it and wipe the skin. You can keep it in fridge for more than 1-2 weeks. Wipe your face, and it also will get rid of, help you to take the extra oily shine and take all the dirt. But if you feel that it's kind of strong, the lotion, you can add there some water, just water, not any from cooler, any water, but the one which was already heated, you know, boiled, and has nothing inside. So you can make lotion this way. But here I just wanted to show the mask. I already squeezed the lemon juice here, teaspoon of lemon juice, and we're gonna add here the tablespoon of Pear. This mask is not heavy, as you see, but I always recommend to add some flour, but here I wouldn't recommend to add any flour. You have to apply it this way, liquid way, and do not do it while you're working in the house. You need to be in the bathtub or do something in the bathtub. So you take a shower, and that time is good to apply this mask, because this mask, a cleansing mask. And how you clean the face, because when your face touching that warm something, steam, hot steam, because you take shower in hot water, not hot, close to hot, right? So this hot steam gives you open the pores on your face, and not just pores, everywhere. But all of us, we care about face, right? And face and skin. So this zone has a lot of troubles all the time. So this mask you just need to apply while you're in the bathtub on your face, while pores are open, and this will clean very good your face and will take the extra oil shine. And after that, after 15 minutes, you just wash it away with warm water, with the same water you take a shower. You wash it away, and don't forget to wash your face with cool water, because this the Pear help to close pores, the lemon help to close pores, it cleans them. Just Pear help to open pores. Lemon always tighten the pores. So you just need to wash your face with cool water, because cool water will tighten the pores. If you forget about that, your pores will be still open, and when you get out just for 2 minutes outside, your face already will get all the dirt from the environment, everything was flying in the air. So don't forget your face to wash your face with cool water. This is very easy mask, I think. Just do it while you take a shower, because these are very good products to close pores, clean them, and it's not gonna damage it's not gonna give you any damages, right? Because it's very soft structure inside and cleansing. Thank you for watching this video. Watch my other videos. Thank you.